welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my deep conditioning routine for when my hair is like super duper dry. I do this about every 2 weeks when I wash my hair and grab the moisture and reform and restore my curls. Want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm just coming on here to kind of explain to you what exactly I'm doing. So I just like to start off with damp hair because I feel like that's the most way I get moisture. I used to do it on dry hair and I don't know, it just feels better and it feels like it's doing more when my hair is wet. So I'm just starting off by sectioning off my hair because that's the easiest way to apply the deep conditioner and get closer to my scalp. I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like, just how it's sectioned off, and then I just go ahead and split that section into 2, and then I just apply it on each side, on each section, and then just make sure you're really getting your ends, moisturize them as much as possible. Also, I did want to say sorry because I thought my camera was recording when I was recording the rest of the video, but it wasn't, so you won't get to see me doing my full head. I really thought my camera was recording, and then I was looking at the footage like, where's the rest of it? So sorry this video is short, but I hope you still got to see exactly what I did. Alright, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell so you'll never miss an upload from me. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.